in a world where don't record me.
In a world where normal world things happen, there rests an evil among us. The evil is restless and won't stop until something happens to stop it. There is only one man who could make something happen to stop it. His name is Excellent Man. And I guess Buckle Boy.
What? Not a single like. I must take over the world.
So I've been seeing all these new superheroes. They have cool masks and stuff, and I kind of want one for myself. So I'm gonna head over to the store real quick. Buckle boy, buckle me. Yeah, so I'm liking these ones. These they're very child friendly. They're not scary at all. They have cool looking slick designs. I'll try one on. I'll try the other one on next. So I'm liking the way this is feeling. I'm gonna try this one on now. Looks pretty nice. Ooh, this is also pretty good. This is, it's not what I was expecting. It's not, I think this is a lot better. Yo, you coming to the party tomorrow? Me too. Oh yeah. Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, we actually got engaged recently. Married and gonna be married in a couple of months. Things have been going great. I finished college. I've been doing good in my, a lot of job opportunities have popped up. I've been really enjoying my life lately. It would really suck if, something.
Go to sleep. I will take over the world. 7 billion more after I killed this man. Everything, guy? If you want to stop me, come get me.
Hey guys, so I just got this new mask. Feeling pretty steezy. I've gone, a long time without a mask, and I think this fits pretty nicely. I'm excited to be, introducing this to you guys. I'm excited for my new adventures up ahead with a mask. Hey guys, so I just got this new mask. Nice.
I will take over the world.
Who the hell is this clown?
7 billion more after everything guy.
That's not my name.
Stop me. Come get me.
I need to stop this guy. Man. Buckle boy, hand me my thing. Thank you, Buckle boy. Cat. What could this mean? Where is he? We found him. What do we have here? A dead lady. What could all this mean? How could this have all happened? She was using these weights. But what does that mean? One thing I notice is her leg is up. The movie Up. I think I'm onto something. The director of Up is Pete Docter. Pete. Peter wears a black and gold belt. Just like this alligator belt. Alligators live in Florida. Florida's a state. What does this all mean? Liquid is also a state. There's liquid in this glass. Glass is made in a factory. A factory is a building. These are buildings. We found them. We finally meet.
Yes, we do. Now time to take you out so I can take over the world.
Okay.
All you superheroes thinking you can do things. Well, you can't do things.
Not on my watch. Let's do this.
I don't even need this. Everything, guy.
That's not my name! I'm not gonna let you get away with this. You'll never win. Let's end this.
No.
Let's end this. And the final blow. Hey guys, so I just killed the new the super villain. He's dead now. Can't really see him. The lighting is pretty bad. But yeah, hope to see you next time. Just killed the villain sitting right there.